Kuwei Heprit na shnong imlang plang, Thaiñ Mawhati constituency uladu no yala Jingim, Hadien Jingtwa Khyndew Shyrkhei, Hakate shnong nega step perngam, Kabaderu na Jingther ulaba balane bunkinta. Katkum Jingte bala yolum, Laong Bahakate Jingja Katwa Khyndew, Kuwei Yang Kalasha ban hadu obo wei Heprit uladu no sndon yala Jingim, Katbala Ngut kiwei pan kila Mynsaw.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.